9:30 a.m. The market opens, thousands of eyes locked on their screens, hoping to become millionaires. But behind the numbers, a brutal truth hides. 90% of traders will lose their money today. But why? Is the market itself to blame? Is it the system working from the shadows, or is it something even darker, something no one dares to speak about? In this video, we pull back the curtain, and the answer may change the way you see trading forever. Sarah, a new trader, she saw a stock flying up 15%. No plan, no reason, just fear of missing out. She bought. A few minutes later, the market crushed her. Her account shrank. Her confidence shattered, and what remained was fear. This is not only Sarah's story. It's the story of all of us when we enter the battlefield without a map. But let me tell you a secret. The market is not your enemy. Your brain is. For millions of years, your brain was built to fight predators, not to trade stocks. When you lose money, your brain reacts the same way your ancestors did when facing a saber-toothed tiger. Panic. That's why most traders fail. Not because of bad analysis, but because their nervous system slams the red button. Professionals are different, not because they don't feel fear, but because they respond differently. When the market screams sell, they look at their plan. When greed whispers in their ear, they remember pigs get slaughtered. When they lose, they don't take revenge, they step back. This is the moment a gambler becomes the house. Before we go deeper, if you're serious about trading and don't want to miss the upcoming strategies and insights, hit that subscribe button right now, because what's coming next could be the difference between losing and winning. Picture this. It's 5 a.m. The pro trader is already awake, not to buy, not to sell, to prepare the mind. They review the market, they write scenarios, they imagine both wins and losses, and then silence, like a soldier adjusting his breath before battle. Because the market gives opportunity every day, but only to those who are ready. And here's a rule everyday trader learns. Surviving small losses is more powerful than chasing big wins. Every small loss you manage today keeps you alive for the big win tomorrow. And once you're ready, the real art begins. The art of losing. A successful trader isn't the one who wins the most. It's the one who loses the least when wrong. 5 small losses of 1% each is only down 5%. But one big win can flip everything. This is survival. Small losses keep you alive until the day the market finally lays the big prize in front of you. And remember, speed can be a weapon, but patience is the shield. One impulsive move can destroy hours of work, yet one patient wait can turn the tide. And here, cold math enters the game. Risk management. Rule number 1. No single trade should ever risk more than 1% of your account. Do the math. Size your position based on the stop. The rest is execution. Numbers, not feelings. Cold, ruthless, but your only salvation. Still, numbers alone are not enough. You need memory. You need a journal, a mirror that shows you the truth. Look back 1 month, and you'll see the patterns. Every Friday afternoon you lost. Every Tuesday morning you won. These notes are pure gold. Without a journal, mistakes repeat. With a journal, mistakes become lessons, and lessons become growth. Here's the biggest truth. Success in trading is not exciting, it's boring. The best day is the day when everything goes exactly as planned. Wealth is built from routine, from repetition, from ruthless discipline. The market doesn't care about your drama, it only respects your discipline. But what happens when you crash? When your day is red? When you feel like everything is lost? That's when the survival protocol begins. Shut down the screen, reset your body, review in writing, and tomorrow return. Not with revenge, with a plan. This is the moment a real trader rises from the ashes like a phoenix, because you're not just trading anymore. You are becoming a trader. Your identity shifts. You no longer say, I want to be disciplined. You say, I am disciplined. Every action is a vote for who you are becoming. The screen goes dark. The market sleeps, but only for now. Tomorrow, the charts will whisper new secrets, new opportunities, new mistakes waiting to happen. Will you be ready, or will the market teach you the same lesson? Again, every mistake today could be the key to your next breakthrough. Every move could change everything. If you want to see how real traders survive the chaos, how they turn fear into power, and how the next big move could define your future, subscribe now. Watch the next videos, because the journey has only just begun, and the market won't wait for anyone.